there's fast. And then there's One Call, the fastest service in town. At One Call, fast doesn't mean expensive. Our prices on repair, parts, and labor could save you hundreds. Best of all, it only takes one call for AC, heating, plumbing, and more. Remember, one call does it all.
For repairs in my home, I call One Call Services. They do it all, and they do it fast.
One Call, the fastest service in town.